Hello, I'm Cassell from RoboUP. Thanks for everyone who watching this video. It is a great honor to introduce RoboUP and the boundary wear-free lawnmower to you. This video is about unpackaging our product. This is the whole package of our product. First of all, let's unpackaging it. Now we have all the stuffs here. This is our base station and this is our mower. Here we have an adapter, a power wheel, and the RTK extension cable. This is the RTK holder and the cover, and these 6 nails could be used for fix the charge station. Here we have our manual, the QR code for replacement, and a little box contained with blade, screen, and wrench. And this is our product and all the accessories. Thanks for watching.